Welcome back to Instables. Again, going over one major mover that we could possibly see a major spike continuation from. Again, AI play here with SOUN. Prior rejections that we do have major gap downs that many are looking for a possible gap into. Will we possibly get that proof of concept? I'm going to go over exactly what that would look like. What would be our bullish and bearish case scenario from here? What would be our stop loss if we were holding into this? I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers that you want to be watching. For example, this morning we mentioned RCAT on a $1.2 million drone contract with the U.S. Army. Again, a nice spike from 122 all the way up to 135 from that news. Again, a very simple play, over 10% on this break from pre-market news. These are the type of simple movers that we mentioned from pre-market news into open. Any major levels that you want to be watching on major volatile movers that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into SOUN with you guys here again off the bat, looking at our weekly chart, looking at our overall picture. The reason why we have SOUN on watch is because we have a major gap down, that we have possible gaps that we could gap into if we get that proof of concept on our daily and hourly chart. So again, with our prior rejection, wick to the upside, coming back now, retesting our watches to see if we get that proof of concept. Looking at our daily chart for that possible proof of concept, again, as we approach just under $5 here, going to extended hours with a ton of volume, might I add. We have 30 million volume, over 26.91 million volume on average. So again, a very nice spike that we had today. Now retesting resistance. What we want to see here is a possible spike. We want to see a possible engulfing candle higher. What I mean by an engulfing candle here is, again, with a spike continuing on higher, engulfing our prior body's candle to continue on into a possible gap that we did gap down from. So again, that's what we're looking for from here. Our $5 psychological level, a very key level that we recently got rejected from. In my opinion, even stronger of a resistance and possible support if we can get that bullish candle structure. So an engulfing candle would be possibly that continuation on higher. But if we do have a possible pullback into our 10-day moving average for more proof of concept, that would be also plausible here. So again, keeping that in mind, if we possibly need to pull back to retest our 10-day moving average, we do simply need that proof of concept above our $5 psychological level here. This is one of many movers that we do keep an eye on in the Instables, and very key level that we can keep an eye on if we're looking to set this alert, add an alert here on TradingView. Simply click add alert here on the right. Now you have this alert set, so it can text you, it can message you as soon as you look for this possible proof of concept from. Again, looking at our overall strength, we have been increasing in buy pressure, continuing on from our recent increase in buy pressure on the week. Now testing recent buy pressure to see if we can continue on with increases in buy pressure, a very critical moment here for that possible continuation. And the reason why we had this on watch mainly is because our EMA lines are above the median of MACD. We had this happen recently when we hit just under $5. So again, now we do have that decrease in buy pressure overall with that possible gap that we would be looking for if we continue on with buy pressure here. So again, that's more confirmation, increasing with buy pressure going into tomorrow, making sure that we don't get any major rejections with decreases in buy pressure would be key. Again, with our EMA lines pointing up, a lot of bullish momentum here, in my opinion. Looking for that proof of concept above 5 will be that easy play here. And in my opinion, with possible moves in AI, with a possible bounce back in the market, would be that possible continuation on higher here. Also, keep in mind, SOUN did react against the market today. So again, keeping an eye on how SOUN is reacting against or with the market is key here. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news before market open, those major volatile movers, those very key levels that you want to be watching, again, like we mentioned with RCAT, a very nice spike, over 10% on simple news out the gate. Again, a $1.5 million contract with the U.S. Army, a very simple play from 122. If you happen to see this on a spike, a very nice continuation from 122 to 135. Again, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables, I appreciate you guys. Again, SOUN, very key to look for confirmation for. No guarantee that we will continue, but I will say that everybody's on watch for AI movers, and looking for major setups on AI movers, in my opinion, is one of the easiest possible plays that we need to keep an eye on, especially from prior gap downs. We need to keep this on watch regardless if we continue on above 5 or not. We need to look for these possible gap ups if they are sitting there in front of us. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.